Goshen Spinach and Garlic, by Michael Goshen, www.trcb.me/Michael. Goshen Spinach and Garlic is an easy vegetarian dish that will make a spinach lover out of anyone. This dish is a nice one to impress the vegetarian in your life. Goshen Spinach and Garlic is topped with sesame seeds to add a wonderful crunchy texture to this vegetarian dish. This dish is a really fast vegetarian meal that will impress. A tip for Goshen Spinach and Garlic: take care when adding the spinach into the hot oil, it will spit badly. Serves 2 ingredients. Bunch fresh spinach, washed. Your article could be in this broadcast. Visit trcb.com to find out how. 2-3 sliced garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon about 21 grams sesame seeds. 2 tablespoons about 25 milliliters of peanut oil. Teaspoons about 5 grams of sea salt. Step 1. Take the spinach, shake it and get rid of excess water, then remove the stalks and discard any yellow or damaged leaves. Lay several of the spinach leaves one on top of another and roll them up tightly, then cut horizontally into wide strips. Repeat with remaining leaves. A tip in Goshen Spinach and Garlic is to make sure only to use the fresh green leaves and thoroughly pick through the spinach. Step 2. Heat up a frying pan to a medium heat and add the sesame seeds and dry fry them, stirring occasionally for 1-2 minutes. You will want the sesame seeds to be golden brown by the end of this process. Then transfer to a small bowl and set aside. Step 3. After the sesame seeds, add the oil to the hot frying pan and stir it around. When the oil is hot, add the salt, spinach, and garlic and stir fry for 2 minutes. In Goshen Spinach and Garlic, you want to pull out the spinach right when it wilts and the leaves are covered in oil. Step 4. Then add the sesame seeds you set aside in Step 1 and toss the spinach thoroughly. Then serve Goshen Spinach and Garlic immediately and enjoy this vegetarian delight. While passionate about psychology, Goshen's passions have led him to be a pioneer with TRCB. With TRCB, he is one of the original subject matter experts SME, as well as being foundational with the TRCB team in video creation on numerous fronts. Author of upcoming book Naturally Good Cooking. For more, please visit www.michaelgoshen.com.